Sour Candy Queen back with a video, and today we're gonna be trying this Reese's Caramel Big Cup. So, see if it's worth the money. So I got this little guy, big guy, at Walgreens. Don't know how much was it, but I don't really care. This is huge. That's what she said. I think there's a decent amount of caramel. It's really good. You know what? I thought I wouldn't like this because I'm not really, I mean, I like peanut butter, but not really crazy about peanut butter cups. I have my water. So yeah, what is everyone doing today? Is everyone in the Christmas spirit? So yeah, let me see, it's a little caramel. Hands down, I think caramel is the awesome. That didn't make sense. The awesomeness. Thanks for watching. I'll let you guys go. Hopefully my dad makes popcorn. Chocolate popcorn is really good. And I still have one more. So I'm gonna throw some things out today because I'm trying to declutter at the same time, still obsessing over Temu. But honestly, I'm thinking about placing another order, but I'm thinking about it, like, do I really want it or not? Because Christmas is coming and I don't want a lot of stuff on my floor in my room. Really, really delicious. So if you see this, pick them up. They're really good. Maybe Dollar Tree has them. I really don't know. I can't tell you guys. I miss Dollar Tree. But it's okay. I got to work yesterday. I bought that on my shift. And yeah, now my mouth is like really sugary, like deadly sugary. So I'm gonna let you guys go. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!